Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Study. In this video, we will discuss about economic importance of algae. Algae shows both positive as well as negative economic importance. Positive economic importance means algae are useful for human beings and other animals as a primary producer for photosynthesis, as a food, algal product in industry, as a medicine, as a biofertilizer for experiments, and lastly in sewage disposal. While negative economic importance of algae means algae are harmful for human beings and other animals as parasitic algae, algae grows on salt brines, uncontrolled growth of algae, toxic algae resulting death, and algae cause corroding effect. Let us study one by one. First, positive economic importance of algae. As a primary producer, algae are primary producer of food in large bodies of fresh, brackish and sea waters. This form the basis of food cycle in all aquatic animals. For photosynthesis, nearly 50% of total carbon dioxide fixation for photosynthesis of the world is carried out by algae. Photosynthesis releases oxygen in the immediate aquatic environment. It is essential for respiration of aquatic life. Algae as a food. Algae are rich source of carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Therefore, they are used as a food. There are about 70 species of marine algae are used as a food. Chondrus crispus, a seaweed which is used in many food preparations in Japan. This weed is collected from the sea, then dried, powdered, and this powder is used for giving thickness to the food. Then marine alga like ulva, codium is used as a salad. In Japan, a combo dish is prepared from Laminaria algae. Unicellular green alga chlorella and spirulina blue-green algae are rich in proteins. They are used as a food supplement by space travelers. Algal drinks are also prepared from various marine algae, which stimulates the energy. Use of algae and algal products in industry. There are several species of algae which are used to produce various products in industry. Marine alga Geladium is collected, dried, powdered and used in food, cosmetics and also used in pharmaceutical industries. Agar from Geladium and Gracilaria is used in culture medium. Canning of fish and meat, sizing of textile and paper. Alginate from Laminaria fucus and sargassum is used in stabilizing emulsion. Fireproof plastics, security glass and artificial fibers are also prepared from this material. It is also used as a thickener in paints. Fireproof cloths are also prepared from it. Carrageenan from Chondrus crispus is used as an emulsifier and clearing agent. Diatomaceous earth developed from diatoms is chemically inert, so it is used as a filters in oil and in chemical industry, in boilers and in blast furnaces. It is also used as a car polish, silver polish and also for water glass polish. As we know, algae are rich source of minerals and carbohydrates, therefore they are used to feed cattle as a fodder. Algae in medicine. From unicellular green alga chlorella, antibiotic chlorelline is extracted and which are used against various microorganisms. Cara is the green algae having larvicidal property which are used to kill harmful larvae in agricultural field. Brown algae like Laminaria fucus yield iodine which is used to treat goiter. There are various marine algae rich in minerals, vitamins, therefore they are used as a tonic. Algae as a biofertilizers. There are certain algae like nostoc, anabina, oscillatoria, tolipothrix are used as a biofertilizers because they are having ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen. which increases fertility of the soil. Algae for experiment. Algae like Acetabularia, chlorella are used for various experiments. Acetabularia was used to carry out various experiments in genetics and in cell biology, while chlorella was used to trace the path of carbon-14 during photosynthesis experiment. Use of algae in sewage disposal. Algae like Chlamydomonas, chlorella, Scandesmus are used in sewage oxidation tank, which provide aerobic condition for disposal of sewage by decomposer organisms or bacteria. Negative economic importance of algae. Parasitic algae like Cephalosaurus parasitica in rainy season grows on tea leaves, which reduces aroma quality of the tea. Certain parasitic algae grows on the hairs of polar bears as a parasite. Algae grows on salt brines gives pinkish color to the salt, which changes the salt quality and taste. Uncontrolled growth of algae in rivers, ponds changes water quality, due to which the drinking water becomes unpotable. Uncontrolled growth also blocks the PVC pipe of the pumping station. Toxic algae resulting death. Certain algae releases toxic substances into the water, which results into death of the aquatic animals. Algae cause corroding effect. Due to excessive growth of algae on the surfaces of boat or streamers cause corroding effect, which reduces the efficiency and lifespan of boat or streamers. This is all about economic importance of algae. Hope you will understand this.